We ran out of battery yesterday, so I couldn't film the end of the day, but I'll get you up to date this morning. There's Sean already at it, getting on with his bricks. He's got most of this side up now. We've trimmed all the edges of these off, so give him a bit more space to work in. And then
Police in London,
this has all been filled in. Sean's going to try and get a bit more of this brickwork done today.
Two men have been charged with murder over the...
Here's Lewis. He's fixing the batten ready for the soffit. We managed to get the rest of the rafters in down to form the valley. Also got our first bit of felt in late last night. So plan today is get the fascia boards on, soffit on, and then get it felt back. Yeah, and then we got Mikey downstairs somewhere with a shovel in his hand. I think we better get this on camera. Doesn't happen very often. Follow me down the scaffold, bear with me. It'll be worth it. Okay, so we go through here, follow Jack in. Here he is. Look at him, brush in hand! You've been caught! Okay, we'll see how long it takes him to get through this lot of rubbish down here. Okay, we've managed to get all the fascia and the soffit on. Built in, put these extra timbers in here just to help support the soffit. Then we've got that undercloak. Put the felt on, got our first bit of batten on, set out these for the valley trough, and now we're going to just cut the rest of these roof battens in and get these tiles back on, ready for getting all that valley in. Shawnee's taking his time getting this brickwork up, so we can't go much further on the felt yet. So you'll have to take that up with him. Here he is. Hi. And yeah, that's about it so far. Okay guys, it's the end of the day. We've just managed to get all the valley down here and dressing all these older tiles back in, so the existing roof, that's all sorted now. Just concentrate on all the new part then on Monday morning. All the fascias on and all looking good, so we'll check back for Monday morning. Okay, bye. We're going to carry on this morning. We're going to get all the fascia on this side and we're going to get it all covered in today. Get all the felt and batten on, and hopefully keep pushing Shawnee on. He's going to finish off his brickwork in here, finish the chimney off, and also that other gable end down there. So we'll check back around about midday, and you can check in on the progress. Okay, see you later. Hello. So end of the day, we've managed to get the fascia and soffit on down here. Sean, I suppose I better show you this bit. Sean's got this bit filled in. He's been driving him mad because the bricks are so wet. He's finished this gable end, and we've got the fascia board on this, so this is all finished now. Just needs a bit of silicone around it, just around the edges at the end. Won't do that till a bit later because it's still quite dusty. Got this side all felt battened. Buttons round for the velux window. So we'll get the velux in tomorrow, and all the tiles are turning up, so hopefully get a few tiles on as well. Right, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Okay, so might be getting a little bit of rain today, but first thing then today we're going to get, Shawnee's going to finish off the chimney in that gable end. Mikey's off elsewhere gallivanting. I'm going to get on and finish all this fascia and soffit here. Might even show you how we finish off this bit of box end here, the fascia board. It's sometimes quite often asked how we finish it off, so we'll show you our way. And yeah, and we can get the rest of this all felted in and start getting some tiles and maybe even a couple of velux windows in today. So check back in a bit, and I'll get all this prepped ready to show you so it doesn't drag out too long, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, I'm going to show you this box end like I said earlier. I've cut a few of the pieces all ready to go, so so you're not sitting there for too long. We've put this soffit piece strip on here first, and then I've cut this one, which is a bit of the fascia board, cut to the angle, screwed that on there because that'll be covered by the capping piece, as you'll see in a second. And then we need this piece over here, which has been cut to these two pieces, so we'll fix those on. Fix these on the edge, and then they'll won't be seen when we put the corner covers on. This board here is quite a wide board, so you normally need to buy sort of a double-ended board, a wide board, usually about 450. They only come in a sort of 1.5 metre length, and they just help you do those box ends. And then these are the two trims that I've pre-cut. So we can just glue these on. With a bit of mitre bond. And just hold them on for a few seconds. And then this one, I've had to notch to sit around there, like so. You can see that. So we'll just glue that on. And that's that box end done. We just need to run a new fascia board in line with that, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so I've just cut this fascia board now. As you can see, we've cut the join there using a bevel, and so I just need to fix that on, and then that's all done. Just that bit of brickwork to finish, then we can get it all felt and battened. So we've got all this felt and battened. That's battened round ready for the velux. Sean's got his chimney up, just needs a little bit of brushing down tomorrow, still a little bit wet. And then round here, this one's been tiled now, and we've got a big old velux in. That weighs a lot. It's not the easiest to install. But yeah, we've got all those cut now down the valley there. So yeah, next on the list is do the same this side. And there we have it. I suppose I better show you Sean's gable end down here. That's all finished now too. Right, see you next time.